How to make calls vibrate long on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make calls vibrate long on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it. Now just scroll down until you find vibrate. Click on it and here you will find it long. Just click on it one click and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.